Good morning. Rochelle's Review. I'm Rochelle. This is my husband, Mr. Bendix, drinking his coffee. And my dog. Ori, say hi. Ori's looking, but he's kind of scared because he got a haircut. Okay, on to the review. Um, this morning, a couple days ago, I had an awful experience. My AC went bad. It was just getting hotter and hotter in here. The temperature kept rising. So I went and I called the AC repair guy. The first one I should have known. The first guy that I've called, he tried to assist me to fix it myself. That should have been the first clue that it wasn't gonna go good. It was after hours, so I told him, please just come and we'll we'll try to get through it. He came. Now our home is 7 years old. Air conditioning are supposed to last a lifetime, as far as 20 years, 15 years. They start getting shaky. If you do the proper maintenance, they'll last 20 something years. you know Anyhow, my home is 7 years old, and the man came in first of all he was telling me it was a clog. He was trying to help me troubleshoot over the phone. He said it was a clog. From my description, he said it was a clog. Anyhow, he came. He found that it was frozen. Second, he went outside. It was dark. He stayed out in his car for about 20 minutes. Those are all red flags. Those are all red lights, and I was just fed up with it. Anyhow, he came in. He told me, I have to start thinking about getting a new air control system, air conditioner system. I said, a new system? What is this man trying? He said you could rent to own, and he was $3,000 and $5,000, and he was carrying on. So I said, wait a minute, really? Three? I mean, we only been here 7 years. He said those air condition supposed to last 5 to 7 years. I've never heard 5 to 7 years. I heard 12 to 15, 10 to 15. Those double digit numbers, not 5 to 7 years. I said, okay. I see where he's going with this. So I let him do his thing. The man shut off everything, told me everything got to defrost, and he'll be back in the morning. In the morning, about 8, 9, well, he said 8 o'clock. 9 o'clock rolled by, 10 o'clock rolled by, and he still didn't call. So I called him. Then the lady told me, oh, let me see what notes he had for you. Oh, you'll be paying $1,000 now. Now, remind you, I already paid this man $200 just for the visit, because it was after hours. You know how that go. Emergency calls are a bit pricey. So now she said $1,000. The man last night left and told me he will come back and make sure everything is working and diagnose the problem in the morning. How did it go from diagnosing the problem to $1,000 just by a phone call, just to buy a part? So I said, is that the labor? She said, no, just the part. I said, okay. I said, because I really feel like I was being jerked around at this point. So I said, you know what? I'll call you back. Needless to say, I didn't call her back. But I called another guy, Frank's Air Conditioner Repair in St. Cloud. They are amazing. Frank's Air conditioning, they saved the day. They came in a couple hours later. They was here, and before the man left, I felt cool air coming in. Everything was good. He put me on a what's that plan name, Bendix? He put me on a program so that they'll come and do the servicing program. That's it. If I'm getting it wrong, you'll let me know. Servicing program for $800 for $89 for the year. They come 2 times, service it, make sure everything is good. He also stated that there was pet hair stuck in the vent from the previous owner because the color of my dog is different. Okay, I have no problem with that. I'll clear that up. The man told me this before, the other guy, so I figure that's the only, it looks like that's the only truth the guy before Frank's repair told me. So anyhow, I'm back feeling cool again. I don't got on no clothes. Well, I have on clothes, but it's just not a lot. It's just a romper. Yeah. Anyhow, I'm recording this review because it really sent my blood pressure up. I'm going to be honest. My blood pressure was up. I was mad as hell. I was giving Bendix stress. He was giving me stress. He was looking like a lobster because he ain't no normal dark-skinned person. He's one of those lobster color people. Anyhow, we got Frank's air conditioner repair. They are awesome. This is free advertisement for Frank's repair in St. Cloud. They are awesome. They come highly recommended. They don't BS you, and it's to the point. They came also in this corona age, they came with their proper attire, their PPEs intact, and he was awesome. So my blood pressure is back to normal and I'm good again. Now, the next thing we're going to review on Rochelle's review, I'm going to put up a video about house guest rules, because I've been hearing a lot of complaints, and I've experienced some very good, some that I didn't want to leave. My house guests, some of them I didn't want to leave. Some of them I don't ever want to see again. If I ever see them again, it'll be too soon. Yeah, so stay tuned for that video coming up next. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'd like to say thank you for joining me, and thank you for watching till the end. Okay? See you next time. Walk good. Walk good.